Now I add bottom border in header cells to separate header from data values and look more attractive. So select cell reference range from cell A6 to I6. In Home tab, Font Group, click Borders button arrow. Click Bottom border. You can see black line here. You can change the color of line from here, and you can also change the width of line from here. Now click Report Name cell and add bottom and top borders. Click bottom border first, then again click top border. Similarly, select cell reference range from A17 to I17. Click border button arrow and select the bottom border. Similarly, select the cell reference range from cells AA to A17. Click border button arrow, select right border button. In this way, you can add border in data table.